Hello YouTube and welcome to webbucket.org video tutorial series. In this video we are gonna cover how to install WordPress on our local machine. Before you install WordPress, you head over to wordpress.org, then download the packaged WordPress zip file, which I already did. So here is my WordPress zip file. Then extract it. I already extracted, so copy all the files inside the WordPress directory. Copy, then go to your LAMP or XAMPP installation directory. Inside XAMPP installation directory you will find a folder called htdocs. Inside that folder create another new folder, name it as you wish. I am naming it as torch. So inside the torch folder paste all the WordPress files. So copying is finished. Let's move to our installation. Open up the browser, then go to where XAMPP welcome screen. Then type in the browser address, folder name of your WordPress files. I have given it torch, so I will type torch. Here is our WordPress installation welcome page. Then hit on the create configuration file. Created, it is given some instruction like you need database name, database username, database password, database host, tuple prefix. So you need all this information before you install. So I already created my database webbucket dot. My user is dots, tb password is this. So if you don't know how to create a database inside php my admin, then head over to my other tutorial and watch the video. So let's go to installation. So hit on the let's go. So type your database name, which in our case it is webbucket dot. So copy and paste. Username, here is dots. Password, in our case this is the password, so I am copying it and pasting it. So our database is localhost. This is the WordPress table piece, means which table inside our database tables will be created. This will be your prefix, so change it to you like. I am changing it to dot underscore. So my table will be started with a prefix dots. Submit, then click submit. Run the installation. So here is installation almost finished. So type your site title. So in case mine, I'm typing it webbucket because my site name is webbucket. Sorry, webbucket. Then your username, don't keep it as admin, change it to something else. So I am typing like dots only. Username, password is type something. I'm typing dots, make it very strong. Find password generators online, then create an password, then use the password. Give your username, your email. In case of you forget your password, then you can retrieve from your email. So I am giving like sorrows, no, sorry, sorry, like web bucket at the rate of hotmail.com. So then allow search engines to index your site. Tick. Install the WordPress. Click install WordPress. After now welcome screen will be pop up. Here it will say WordPress bin installation. So now you log into the your site. So click on the login. Type your username and password. Also mine is dots. Login. it is processing. Just wait. Here is your WordPress welcome screen. So the above, click visit site, right click open. Here is your, so we finished our WordPress installation. Here is our site. Here is our site. So thanks for watching.